Waragwan. We are going into the streets of Lagos, Nigeria to ask people the meaning of Odeyu. I'm MC Calabar from Comic Relief. Let's go. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Grateful for you.
Hi, how you doing?
Today they fine. Are you outside?
I'm fine. I'm MC Calabar from Comic Relief. And you are what?
I'm Warekpe, the number one boy, worry.
Do you know this popular song by Chris Daniel called Odeyu or something?
Chris Daniel, grateful. Oh, that song too sweet. See, that song, my landlord, don't use an very BT white fence.
Okay. Come closer. So, what's the meaning of Odeyu? Quick one.
The meaning? The meaning, I make me and my wife, they fight this morning.
Okay.
My wife, they talk say, Odeyu na Yoruba. Me and they talk say, Odeyu na Igbo. Now, so fight start, it tear my shirt. But, Odeyu, I don't like that song. Odeyu, that song.
Hello, please don't come, please come. Yeah, I'm MC Calabar from Comic Relief.
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Decent.
Decent.
Yeah.
Okay, just quick one. You might have heard this song from Kizania or Odeyu. I'm very sure I like the song very well.
Odeyu.
Please, quick one. What's the meaning of Odeyu?
I don't go lie you. I like the music, but that Odeyu. For that one, I shall like I like as a position in the music. You don't understand.
Alright, now sure
Yeah,
for you.
I'm there for you. My God.
Yeah.
MC Calabar from Comic Relief. What's your name? Okay, quick one. You heard about this song from Kizania? Odeyu, right? No, Odeyu, the very latest one.
Yeah.
You know, current.
I'm not really
Music.
Alright. Thanks for giving us the time. Young boy, please come. What's your name?
My name is Lydia.
Okay, I'm MC Calabar from Comic Relief. Please, do you know Odeyu by Chris Daniel?
Yeah, I know the design.
Please, what's the meaning of Odeyu?
Okay. You want to know?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
All right, go.